We are thrilled to unveil Palette AI's new restoration tool. It restores these photos in seconds, saving countless hours and bringing history back to life.
AI-powered restoration that preserves military history while dramatically reducing editing time and increasing efficiency.
First, we scan the damaged photos. Then, using this Palette AI review workflow, you can see the AI military photo restoration tutorial in
Palette AI dramatically increases our efficiency. We can now restore countless images, preserving this history for future generations.
Can AI really restore forgotten military memories? We put Palette AI to the test, and the results are stunning.
Dad, we had them restored.
Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. I can't believe it. We love you.
As you can see, the difference is clear. While Photoshop required hours of detailed cloning, Palette AI restores the image instantly with museum quality.
All right, guys, today we're testing if you can spot the AI restoration. Look at this before and after. Absolutely incredible detail recovery, right down to the uniform textures.
As you can see, Palette AI instantly detects the damage. It isolates scratches, corrects the fading, and sharpens blur.
Palette AI dramatically improves our restoration efficiency, allowing us to safeguard this vital national military history for future generations.
These photos are irreplaceable links to our past. With Palette AI, we can quickly recover this valuable military history.
Palette AI consistently delivers the most realistic results. The facial reconstruction is unparalleled, saving significant editing time compared to the competition.
Preserving military history is our duty.
With this Palette AI tutorial, you can restore military photos with AI in seconds, getting these incredible professional results.
Welcome to the Ultimate Restoration Challenge. Look at these amazing military photos. Can you guess which one used Palette AI? The results are unbelievable.
Preserving these memories ensures the sacrifices of the past remain vivid and clear for generations to come.
It is vital to preserve these wartime memories. With Palette AI, we achieve professional quality restoration.
Using the split screen, you can see the incredible detail. Palette AI restored this in minutes, providing remarkable realism for historians and families.
This AI workflow is revolutionary. It allows us to restore these priceless military photographs in
Time may fade the image, but the memory lives on. Instantly restore your family's history with Palette AI.
Today, I'll show you how beginners can restore damaged military photographs without Photoshop. It's incredibly fast and simple.
This was taken just before we shipped out. Look closely right there.
Wow, Grandpa, look at the colors now. It looks brand new.
Palette AI dramatically increases workflow efficiency and reduces editing costs. It restores military photographs with outstanding, lifelike realism. As you can see, implementing Palette AI led to a 90% reduction in editing time, allowing us to preserve history faster than ever before.
Ace, we're looking at these incredible military photos. Can you tell which were restored manually and AI? AI. The answer is Palette AI.
Their service will never be forgotten. We are proud to help families restore these cherished memories.
As you can see, the batch restoration feature in Palette AI allows us to process hundreds of military archive images simultaneously. Reliable, dramatic, and fast. AI restoration breathes new life into military history, reducing restoration time dramatically.
These heavily damaged wartime photographs are more than just images. They are history. But can artificial intelligence... We had this old photo restored for you, Dad.
My goodness, the uniform, the colors, it's beautiful. You look so handsome, Grandpa.
Not only is it incredibly fast, but the quality is unmatched. This makes photo restoration accessible for historians, genealogists, and families everywhere.
How
How much is military history worth preserving? Look at this. Now creators can restore history faster with AI, preserving authentic military heritage.
The productivity improvement is incredible. We've dramatically reduced our editing hours while achieving true museum-quality restoration.
We must never forget the sacrifices they made, son. This helps us remember their bravery.
We uncovered hundreds of forgotten wartime photographs. Reorganization of the AI, they are now restored.
I used the AI to restore this one. Look how clear it is.
Oh, it's beautiful. That's my father.
Can AI truly restore military history? We put it to the test with this Palette AI review, focusing specifically on AI military photo restoration.
This tool eliminates complicated editing workflows, allowing beginners to restore military photographs within minutes and vastly improving efficiency.
Preserve military heritage instantly, dramatically reducing restoration time. This is Palette AI.
We had your old photos restored for Veterans Day, Dad. Look at this one.
It's beautiful. I remember this day like it was yesterday.
To preserve this critical history, we're deploying AI solutions.
The restoration quality is incredible, and the speed has truly optimized our workflow. Pairing the workflow, Palette AI drastically reduces the hours needed, delivering museum-quality restoration in seconds.
3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Look at this incredible transformation. Can you tell the difference? It's absolutely mind-blowing, AI restoration.
It's Johnson, right there. I haven't seen this photo in 40 years.
The colors are incredible. By analyzing scratches and faded textures, Palette AI dramatically improves workflow optimization.
Palette AI accelerates restoration projects, improving efficiency and consistently producing museum-quality military photo restorations.
I never thought I'd see my father's face so clearly again.
We process thousands in mere hours. The detail is stunning, preserving history.
It. Once scanned, the AI workflow optimizes everything. What used to take hours of spotting and color correction is...
With Palette AI, families can now quickly and easily preserve those cherished military memories.
The speed is incredible. Watch as the AI instantly restores and colorizes this damaged military photo, highlighting the power of this new workflow.
Every military photograph deserves a second life. With AI, we restore every detail, preserving this priceless history for future generations. By leveraging the power of AI tools like Palette, we can now restore these crucial artifacts, preserving military history for future generations.
This was taken just before I shipped out. Look how clear it is now.
Wow, Grandpa, you look so young.
The difference is stunning. Palette AI speeds up my workflow, letting me restore more history in less time.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, the ultimate restoration challenge, humans versus our new Palette AI. Let's see who wins.
It was so damaged. I can't believe it. The AI really brought it back to life, Grandma. Look at the colors.
Palette AI utilizes advanced algorithms to restore damaged military photographs. This automation accelerates projects. This technology not only reduces our research time, but significantly improves image quality, helping families reconnect with their ancestors.
After all this time, we finally see you.
Traditional restoration can take hours per image, but with Palette AI, we can process entire collections in minutes, preserving history faster than ever before.
This AI tool is a game changer for historical content. I mean, look at the quality. It's absolutely mind-blowing how fast it works.
This was him right before the invasion. He looked so young here. He never talked much about the war when he came back.
The batch processing feature allows us to restore consistent quality across entire collections, saving significant time.
They brought him back to life for us.
We finally have his story.
Look at how the AI completely rebuilt the facial features. The detail here is just stunning.
That's incredible. It looks like it was taken yesterday.
Time fades the ink, but not the sacrifice. Thanks to advanced AI, we restore these.
The speed alone transforms our workflow.
Absolutely. This reduces costs dramatically while improving the overall quality of the archives.
This was my grandfather. He never spoke much about the war, but look at the detail here.
It's incredible how clear the uniform is now.
He never talked about the war.
But now we can see his bravery.
This restoration changes everything we knew about the regiment.